In today's video, how to find a keyword research for SEO. First of all, what is keyword research? A keyword research, what people search on internet. Before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Let's see more comments. Follow up me my video. Go to Google, write HSuperTool. HSuperTool. It is a free SEO and digital marketing. Let's sign in. Sign in. Okay. Go to SEO. SEO keyword research tool. Enter any topic or phrases. For example, affiliate marketing. Click here. Search. You see a list of keywords with search volume per month and the difficulty. You can download this with CSV file. You can use this for your YouTube channel website. Tips number 2, Google Suggest. Go to Google, write any topic, for example, affiliate marketing. Don't press any key. You see a list of keywords for long tail keywords from Google. And additionally, you see here what people also ask. And again, go down. Let's show you related topics. You see related searches, what people asking. Tips number 3, Quora.com. You know Quora is a place where people ask questions and answer. Let's write here, for example, business. Click here. You see question. You see what are some ways to start a business? How do I grow my business? You see this also keywords. You can use these keywords for your YouTube and for your blog. Tips number 4, keyword everywhere. You see here keyword everywhere. It is a Chrome extension for free. Let's see together. I am already installed this from web store. You can install this app for free. Let's see, for example, email marketing. You see keywords with keyword everywhere. You see a list of keywords. You can export these keywords for free. Let's save these keywords. Okay, we can get free from Google keywords. The next step is YouTube. As you know, YouTube is a video sharing platform. Go to YouTube Studio, click here, then click Analytics. Click Research. You can write your topic here. Business. Wait. You see a list of keywords with search volume on YouTube. You can use for your YouTube video. These keywords from YouTube. Tips number 6, Sobel.com. Write on Google Sobel. Let's see together. Let's write keywords in the search bar. Affiliates. You see keywords from Wikipedia, Amazon, Yahoo, Bing, and from YouTube. You can use these keywords for your website, for your blog, and for your YouTube channel. Tips number 7, answer the public. Let's write on Google, answer the public. It is a keyword research tool to find keywords what people discover on internet. Let's see together. For examples, let's write email marketing here. Let's click search. You see a list of keywords. You can download or save. Download with CSV file. Tips number 8 is ubersuggest. Go to Google, write ubersuggest. I am already signing. Let's see together. Right here, for example, Bitcoin, coin. Click search here. You see keywords discovered. You can use this for free for 7 days for trial. You see total volume, paid, difficulty, easy, cost per click. You see a list of keywords related to Bitcoin. You can use this for your blog or your YouTube channel. Tips number 9, VIdIQ. VIdIQ helps to get more views and subscribers to your YouTube channels. Let's see together inside VIdIQ a keyword research tools. For example, let's write blogging and enter this. Let's see together. You see this keywords is a medium. You see a list of keywords you can use for your YouTube channel. It helps you to grow your channel. The last tips is keyword.io. Let's write on Google keyword.io. It is a free keyword research tools to get hundreds of keywords suggested for free. Let's see together. Right here, for example, dog training. Search in the United States. You see a list of keywords you can use for your YouTube channel. It is very helpful, this site. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching.